So good morning to everybody. Good evening in US. Um, Before I begin, I had an important announcement to make. Um, Beginning October, I'm planning to start sharing my trades on futures. So whoever is interested, I would be dropping in a message after this call. Feel free to express your interest via direct message, or you can reach out to me via email or my website. So that's it from that. Let's begin with the chart analysis. So beginning with S&P 500 futures. Well, the channel is doing its magic. I did redraw this channel, um, but if I extend the previous one to the right-hand side, I can see that this is respecting this channel as well, the old channel. But I'm just checking the possibility that if it actually formed a new trend starting 6th of July or not. And that's a very normal behavior. We did see um, the trend change uh, around 7th of April. We were going up, and then suddenly the trend changed, and this is normal. So I'm not sure. We need to watch out if it is in this new channel or the old channel. But as expected, it is bouncing off of the bottom in either case. So that's the good part. Uh, Coming to Nasdaq, working like a charm. It is bouncing back up uh, right from where I had expected it to bounce back, from the bottom of the channel. And also this is a support / resistance level at 11060. Um, and I did call out last week that we hit the bottom. After that, we have not, the lows have been higher than the previous lows. So this is an early sign of a reversal again. Nothing is sure until we are out of the blues. I expect us to stay, the Nasdaq to stay below 11,271 for the next few days, at least this coming week. We could see this on a weekly chart as well. Weeklies even gives more clarity. So you can see that again. Hits the top of the channel, comes down to the bottom, and now it's trying to crawl back up. So this is it for Nasdaq. For now, let's go to Russell RTY one exclamation. Wow, we are looking at a weekly chart on Russell, and the same behavior as expected. It's kind of coming back into the channel. It did go a little bit outside on a daily. You can see that. Oh, it did not. Sorry, my bad. It did not. It is still respecting the channel. It is still respecting the channel. So the weekly candle is bouncing back up. So Russell has been least affected by this fall, and it is coming down more so because of the aftershocks of S&P, but it has already been in consolidation phase since 10th of August, going sideways. So it's been almost a month. So, last time it saw this consolidation, it was here, 12th of June to 13th of July. So almost a month, and then it shot up. So I'm expecting something similar behavior here, which coincides with ES going back up. This is Russell. Let's quickly cover Dow Jones. Dow Jones is in happy territory already. It did show a bounce back on Friday. And now today again, it's going upwards. It actually gapped up open, but that's a good news. If you look at a weekly chart, um, this is again respecting the channel. Respecting the channel is all I can see. Um, okay. Quickly going to the Australian Index Xjo for people who are joining in from Australia. I did make this cup and handle last week, and it has broken the support line, and as of now, it's probably headed towards 57.99. Not a very happy scenario. So we need to see if it bounces back up. Looks like it's slowing down, but for now, this is wait and watch territory. For people who invest in India, whether they are from India or Australia or US, people still invest in India. Here is Nifty. Okay, Nifty is good. Nifty is looking good because it's trying to get back into the channel. This 1 week was hanging outside this channel. So if we look at it from a weekly chart perspective, this looks good. This looks good already. This looks good already. It's going up, healthy, pretty healthy. So coming back to ES, I wanted to show you something important. If we look at ES on a weekly chart, oh, this is weekly, sorry. Monthly chart. Sorry. Okay. So this was coming down big time, and again now we see buying pressure, and hence the wick at the bottom bouncing back up. The channel remains the same, and so the trend at large is uptrend. And this is a very good sign that we have a red candle here, big fat red candle just above the neckline, because this shows that we are ready to launch in a new phase of growth. This is a very good sign. September has been a notorious month, and that's okay. That's absolutely okay. We did need this kind of red days, these red days, not just one day. So there is enough money to be made on any red day. In fact, there is more money to be made on a red day, honestly speaking. Um, but yeah. So what I see on ES, if you see on a hourly chart, it's already been more than an hour. The market opened. Notice here, that's 8th of September. As per New York time, with market opened after Labor Day, it gapped down. Today here, 13th of September, as per New York time, at 6 p.m. when the market opened, futures opened, they gapped up. So it's already building the pressure up. There was already a big bullish engulfing candle. And this is almost in continuation of this trend. So this is very strong uptrend and bouncing right from the channel, right from the bottom of the channel. So again, it should hit here, stop for a while, then go back up. This is what I'm expecting on ES. So this is a happy case scenario for now. I don't see any surprises coming in. Let's wait and watch. Okay, so now the floor is open to questions. Thanks for asking me this question. I do this ES options, future options trades, and the membership I'm talking about is that I would be sharing my trades. I have two tiers, tier 1 and tier 2. Tier 1 would be for people who have accounts up to somewhere between $8,000 and $10,000, and tier 2 would be for people who have account more than $25,000. And I would be sharing my trades on ES, and that would be around dinner time as per Eastern Standard Time. My personal strategy is I put my trade on around 8 o'clock-ish, between 8 and 9 Eastern Time, EM, every Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday. And I walk away from my computer. I just put my order on, and it will come and hit me and give me anywhere between 3 to 5% returns per trade. So ballpark 4% returns 3 times a week if I get into a trade. Again, I'm not a greedy person. Well, I'm greedy enough, but not greedy enough to burn myself. I try to be a disciplined trader. I never chase a trade. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, it's okay. No trade is a very good trade. That means it was not in my favor. So I would be sending out the WhatsApp message soon. I would also help you guys set up how to set up the phone app to do that kind of trading. And it's really simple. At around 8 to 9 p.m. Eastern, you just put your trade on your phone app, and you just go to bed. It's really that simple. Jalal is already interested.
Sign me up, brother. This sounds really good because I've seen your charts, and I've used this for my trading. But if you can do all my research and all the mental work, man, I can, So I'm interested. Sounds really good. Thank you.
Yep. So for tier 1, I would be sharing 8 trades, and for tier 2, I would be sharing 12 trades. That was like 3 trades a week or 2 trades a week, depending on where you are. And again, there is no guarantee it would be 8 or 12 because, well, no trade is a good trade. Believe me, you don't want to burn yourself. You should know when to walk away from the slot machine. So, any more questions? You're more than welcome. If not, we can meet next time again, next week, the same Zoom call, and take it from there.
Thank you, Danish.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Danish.
Thanks.